Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm back with new creative videos. Today I will be showing you one video on Flask. So today's topic is cryptography. Everybody knows what is cryptography. There are one type of cryptography, symmetric key cryptography, that is only one key is used. Then another cryptography is asymmetric key cryptography where two keys are used. We can take the example of two key. Just as I send mail to my friend, then I uses his mail ID, that is called public key, and I use to send mail with my private key, and he opens the mail with his private key and he sees the mail with my public key. So two keys are used, that's why it is called asymmetric cryptography. Here I am using only one key, that is symmetric key cryptography, that is hybrid cryptography. Let's see in detail. Hybrid encryption primitive combines the efficiency of symmetric encryption. Symmetric encryption in the sense only one key is used with the convenience of public key asymmetric cryptography. Asymmetric cryptography. Anyone can encrypt data using the public key, but only users with the private key can decrypt the data. That means for hybrid encryption, the sender generates the fresh symmetric key to encrypt the plain text of the message and produce a ciphertext. Convert the plain text to ciphertext. Then that symmetric key is encapsulated with the recipient public key. But for hybrid decryption, the symmetric key is used to decapsulate by the recipient and then used to decrypt the ciphertext to recover the original plain text. Means receiver should know, the receiver should open the message text with his private key. Unless and until he uses his private key, he cannot decrypt the message, and anyone cannot see the message because the message is encrypted by the sender. So we will go through the program part. First of all, I will show you the file which I want to encrypt. Here Sachin Tendulkar is a great batsman in the world. He is well-known player of the one-day international cricket team. His strike rate is fast in one-day cricket. Now I want to decrypt this plain text into ciphertext. That's why I am using this program. Now I will show you some part of templates, HTML part. We will go through the HTML files. First one is main file, that is index.html. This is one part, index.html. Now another part, key result.html. Download this part. Now another part, no file, no file.html. if the file is not found, means at the start. Then option.html, which file I want to encrypt and decrypt, that part. Which file I want to encrypt, play into ciphertext. Now we will see encryption part. Here cryptography, I have installed that libraries. Here algorithm is used. This part of encryption. Now we will go through decryption part. Now we will go through input. No, we have taken another file. This is sorry. This is your main file which you are going to run. And another file, that is data, this file which we want to download. And main.py, yes, threads. We have seen one threads video on operating system. This is another part. Now I will execute the program. Yes. Now I will choose the file. I will take the file from which you have seen right now, cricket. Yes. Then encrypt. Yes, encrypted, and it is downloaded in the encrypted format. We will see in downloads. Yes, file has been encrypted. So I have successfully done with hybrid encryption, in which I have only encrypted the file. I hope you got this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.